iPhone 5 in 2025, can it still work? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back in time to 2012 because I have here the legendary iPhone 5. Yes, the phone that was once Apple's pride and joy. But here's the big question. In 2025, does it still hold up? Let's find out. A quick look at history. The iPhone 5 was released in September 2012, making it over 12 years old now. It was the first iPhone with a 4-inch Retina display, a slim aluminum body, and the new Lightning connector that replaced the old 30-pin dock. Back then, it was a huge upgrade. Design and build. Just look at this design. It's so slim and lightweight compared to modern phones. No giant screens, no multiple cameras, just a clean, simple, and classy design. Honestly, it still feels premium in the hand, even after all these years. Performance test in 2025. Now let's see how it performs today. This one is running iOS 10, the last update Apple gave it. Opening apps is, well, let's just say it's not lightning fast anymore. But for basic things like calls, messages, and music, it's still okay. Forget heavy apps though, social media and games are almost impossible now. Camera check. The iPhone 5 came with an 8-megapixel rear camera. In 2012, this was amazing. Today, it's decent for daylight shots, but don't expect night photography or fancy portrait modes. Still, it's cool to see how far we've come. Battery life and charging. This phone had a 1440 mAh battery. Back then, that was fine for a day's use. Today, if it even lasts a few hours, that's a win. And yes, it still charges with a lightning cable. Final thoughts. So, can the iPhone 5 still work in 2025? For basic calling and texting, yes. For modern apps and heavy use, definitely not. But as a piece of tech history, it's a legend. If you still have one, keep it safe. It's a classic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech nostalgia, and let me know in the comments. What was your first iPhone? See you in the next one.